I'm doing this Wrike review to show you how Wrike works and how it helped me organize my team and manage projects and any issues I had with it. But to save you some time, it's worth it. And if you're still skeptical about it, even after this review, try the 14-day free trial and see if it's a right fit for you. You'll save time, stay organized, and get more done without the usual chaos. Okay guys, part of my job is to create and organize projects. I don't like organizing anything when other people are involved. It's like taking charge, which I don't like to do. I wasn't happy with any project management tasks until I started to use Wrike. I decided to try Wrike after a friend told me about it. I researched Wrike a lot before trying it, but what really helped me was the free 14-day trial that Wrike offered. It showed me that project management is so much easier and can actually be fun. I was able to create and assign tasks to my team members so much faster. I had folders, boards, lists, and charts to organize all of my work. And the collaboration software is the best. One thing I hate is keeping tabs on email. I did it all in one place where my team can look and I know they all got any instructions or email I sent. With the collaboration software, I can discuss projects, share files, and leave comments for my team members. Everything gets done in one place with the collaboration software and no chasing emails. Both the project management tool and the collaboration software change how I do my job. I don't stress trying to get everything done. Wrike collaboration software and project management made my job so much better that now things get done on time. Wrike has many other features like automation and AI assistance, time tracking and resource management, integrations, and more. Some features Wrike offer are enhanced or higher price plans. Wrike has 5 plans to choose from, each with very reasonable prices. I decided to start with the 14-day free trial that Wrike offers because I wanted to see how it works. By the end of the 14 days, I knew I wanted to purchase a plan. I decided to go with the free plan, which is only up to 5 users, but eventually switched to the team plan because it fit my needs better. Wrike also has 3 other plans for larger groups and businesses. And I love that Wrike includes their collaboration software and project management tools in all plans. And Wrike customer service is great even if the live phone service is only for 2 higher paid plans. Wrike has email support for all users and a help center where you can find articles and guides. Wrike also have a live chat support but only for paid users. The one downside I found is the mobile app limitations. Some features don't work as well as on the desktop, so keep that in mind if you're thinking of trying Wrike and don't forget the link below.